Can you try, Catherine? It should work now.
One second.
دكتور عند شير سكرين تحت هتلاقي فيه في نص الشاشة كده هتلاقي فيه جنبيها ارو صغير كده، هتدوس عليه وبعد كده هتختار تاني اختيار اللي هو شير.
لا، أنا لأن من التليفون، الأكاونت عندي على التليفون.
لا لازم من على اللابتوب. بس يا دكتور حضرتك داخل من مكانين، يعني اللابتوب داخل برضه.
هي بس اللابتوب مش أوكي، خليني أجرب أطلع منه.
مم.
هلا تامر، حليت
دكتور
المشكلة أتوقع.
طيب انا لحظة.
هذه التكنيكال ايشوز.
It happened. Catherine, log again at the same link, please. دكتور it happened، مفيش مشكلة. دكتور الميل تشيم ده انا عارفه خلاص، انا ممكن ابقى اعمل لك الموضوع ده، مفيهوش مشكلة خالص.
أي واحد شو؟
الميل تشيم اللي هو السي ار ام.
بشوف، خلي بشوف حتى لو أدفع من جيبي مو مشكلة.
ما تقلقش يا دكتور، انت عارف اي حاجه كمبيوتر انا هساعدك فيها، ما تقلقش. انا بس يا دكتور بعت لك الايميلات، الايميلز اللي احنا عملناها كرييشن على الاي اس ار اس ام. لو حضرتك عايز تحط واحد منهم للنيوزليتر وي كان دو.
المهم أنا سويت لها جوين، خلاص تقدر. You can Catherine, you can share your screen. It's already enabled.
Okay.
Sorry for the glitches. We're trying to.
All right. Okay, I think we're on now.
Yes, I can see the screen.
All right. So yeah, we stopped here. We said you're going to decide if to keep these or not, and if you do keep them, whatever events, if you don't have any workshop right now, we said we agree. Well, I'm suggesting that we put it on non-clickable until when you have something, and as soon as you have, you can also have everything, workshops, annual meetings inside your event calendar. Normally, you differentiate them with tags, conference. Like if you go here, yeah, event calendar. When you open which one here, so you have here. here you have the tags. The tags, they stay here. You see, you have conference, courses, workshops. But for this, I'm going to take off courses and workshop. I did it so that to show you that when you have the event tags, you can have different types of events other than conferences. Yeah.
Yeah.
So going back to conference. Yeah. Okay. Will you have the committee? Okay. I have to go back one more. Sorry. Okay, we've gone through this already. No, we're here. When this is on the side, from here you can, go for your conference registration page. Okay. From here you can also view your event calendar.
This is for the new conference, right? This is annual meeting, no?
Yes, but let me explain what I mean, right? You know what I'm thinking? When you have your conference, don't members want to, you can have members at any time. Don't you think so? That every conference, your membership should not be tied to only your website. It's an avenue. Sorry?
No, we don't need to encourage membership on the website.
All right, so I'll
I know what you mean. I know what you mean, but reality is different, Catherine. So it's a nice thought, and I totally agree with you, but reality is bad, unfortunately. So they will not go and pay for both. You get what I mean?
Oh, they would not pay for?
No. They will barely register for the conference. That's why. So.
No, I don't know. Can you make me understand? This is the conference. So you don't want this. What don't you want here?
Okay.
What do you want removed?
No. Okay. So this is fine for me. Okay. Now, what's confusing here? Okay. What's confusing is the join ESRSM. No, the one above. The one above.
This one.
So can you show me the tab? How do you get to this page from the beginning?
Why is this stuck? Let me refresh it. Kind of. I hope I don't lose. Okay. You have registered now here.
Go to the main page. To the main page. Main page.
Home.
Yeah.
You have it in all. Because it's one.
Okay. Now, how do you go to that page? The one that you were just in.
It's from here. Conference.
How about annual meeting? What is the difference?
Annual meeting. They are all, you say you have, these are all form of events, meetings and events. Under meeting and events, you have conferences, workshops, annual meeting, courses. It's under the umbrella of meetings and events.
Okay. Can you take note of what I tell you? Can you okay, so bring annual meeting the first one. Okay?
Okay. Tamara, are you recording?
Yes.
Hello? Is Tamara there?
Yes, it's recording.
Are you recording?
Yes, Catherine.
Okay, so I don't need to write. All right, I'm listening.
So, annual meeting should be the first. Okay?
Okay.
Second one will be courses and workshops, both together. Okay?
Okay.
The third one will be conferences. And then there will be the event calendar. Just give me a second. I need to check the American Society of, let me see. I'm just sharing my screen for a second, les amis. So, I don't know why we have changed.
Some people have it even as standalone, depending on what other things are here. But I think it makes sense under meetings and events.
You see, this is what I mean. Can you see my screen?
You have to share it. I don't
I
know
am
if you can
sharing.
share it at
I am
once.
sharing. I am sharing. Can you stop? Maybe if you stop sharing your screen. My screen is loading. Your screen share is loading.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this is what I'm saying. Our annual meeting will come first. Everything else will come after.
Okay. All right.
Okay. So let me stop sharing. Back to your screen, Catherine.
Okay.
Okay. So first one will be annual meeting. Here in meeting and events, the first one will be annual meeting. And then
Okay.
there will be, we said, courses and workshops. So the two tabs will be one, courses
Okay.
and workshops. Okay?
Okay.
The third one will be actually no need for conferences. We'll put events calendar. No need for conferences. Conferences is confusing because people will confuse our conference with our etc. Okay? So now, when you click on conference, please. This should be the annual meeting. You understand? Everything you put here should be annual meeting.
Okay. So I just change the tab to annual meeting.
Yeah. You can put it annual meeting or annual conference. It's fine.
Okay. And it will live here. What?
So now it changed. Now it's beautiful. You understand? So now
It will take it will be here. You want the position there.
No. Meeting and events. Number one, the first tab will be annual meeting.
No,
Just below.
no, I mean change conference to what?
So meeting and events stays the same, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then the first tab will be annual conference or annual meeting, or put it annual conference. Keep it annual conference, okay? The first tab, annual conference.
Okay, annual conference and the content on it.
So
annual conference will turn into this page.
Exactly. This will be annual conference.
Okay.
Okay. Now, okay. So after annual conference, it will be courses and workshops. Courses/workshops. And the third one will be events calendar.
Okay.
That's it. Only 3 tabs.
All right.
Okay. Now, what will happen to the conference when there is a new one? That's the question. I need the old one to be somehow there. So how do we make sure of that?
Okay. Now, what we can do is we have to create for the new one. You can create. You can create new content with the same tab. Okay, let me
I'll
come
show you
here.
something. Sorry to interrupt, Catherine. I'll show you something.
What I was trying to say, they will live somewhere, but they will not be on the main menu anymore.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to show you. I'll show you an example, and I think it's a good example. All right.
Okay.
Just let me know when you can see my screen.
All right, let me stop sharing mine. Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, so this conference, when you go to editions, okay. So in meeting and events, you can put a tab called past editions or past conferences. Okay, these people here, when you click on past editions, it shows you this 2022, 2019, 2018, 20 whatever. You understand? And you can just download the program and that's it. Okay, so if I click here, it shows the PDF and khalas. You don't need to put more details. The details are for the new conference.
Okay.
You understand? So the PDF we have the PDF of the old conference. خلاص.
Okay.
Is that doable?
So you have, yeah, let's go back again. It's doable. Can we go back? Can you take us back here? So in this case, you just have only one. You're just going to have only one.
So in our conference, let me show you, okay? Let me open our website. So here it says meeting and events. We said the first one will be annual conference, okay? The second one will be courses and workshops, or courses/workshops, and then events calendar, and then will be past conferences or past events. When you click on past events, this will show. When you click on past events, just like here, past editions, for us it will be past events. It will show you the old, conferences. And everyone that finishes comes here. Everyone that finishes comes here.
Okay. So you're going to provide this the program, right? The program that the PDF.
Tamer has all the details, I believe.
Oh, okay. Great.
Tamer?
Yes, doctor.
Oh, is it this? Hold on, let me see. It's in on the website. Yeah. 1 minute. Let me show you
Details
something.
for what?
Hold on 1 minute.
Previous conference.
I have a lot of open tabs. 1 minute.
Believe me, Catherine, my brain is the same as your tabs. I have 1 million open.
Sorry. Oh, where did this go? Okay, here. All right. So many tabs.
You see, you already have it here. Download scientific program.
Yeah, because I have a lot of tabs. I need it to load fast. That is slow because I have everything open.
Actually,
anyway,
what you can do for the past version, okay? You can do.
You mean? Well, I'll just show you first if it is, so that you can decide. This is it. This one?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, then going back here, I just want to know.
Do we have a photo gallery on the website?
Sorry?
Do we have a photo gallery?
Yeah, we do. No, not on the website. You want a photo gallery on the website?
Yeah, we do have the conference photos. Tamer, you have the photos, right?
Oh, that's
Yes,
the one
I gave
put out
everything
there.
to Catherine.
This one is here. Let me show you. There's a gallery, I think. 1 minute. Where did I put this gallery? Hold on 1 minute. No. Go back.
I think in the conference menu, Catherine, past conference.
Yeah, exactly. Which we have a gallery somewhere here. No, you said where? Tamer.
Past conference, ESRSM.
Now I'm lost.
ESRSM conference.
No,
September.
it's not at the conference. It's at the event calendar, I think.
Yes.
I like it. This is funny. We cannot find it. This means our website is complicated.
No, because I have a lot. I'm not just doing your website. I'm doing a lot of websites. So
event calendar.
For me to remember every of
Check event calendar.
And for me to remember everything is like from this I jump to something else.
Yes, this is a gallery, doctor.
Yeah.
Where is it located now?
Yes.
It's located at the event calendar. You can have more. You can have somewhere else if you want.
Let's create a photo gallery. Okay, a photo gallery. And in the photo gallery, there will be tabs. Like, for example, no, actually, I don't know if I should make the photo gallery for all the photos, or when you go to past events, you see the photo gallery. Meeting and events.
I think one photo gallery is just okay.
Okay, just make a
Because you
photo.
have one here. There's one here. Forgot. There's another one here. You have two. Two is enough. Because you can update your pictures here. Important pictures. You have two. One here.
We need a tab for photo gallery, you know, just for people to have their photos, whatever, etc.
Okay. Where would you want that?
And we can add it under about maybe, I don't know, or under meeting and events.
Okay, I'll figure it out.
Maybe under meeting and events photo gallery, you know.
Okay,
Yeah,
you also have this. Your website is loaded with information. Yeah.
Say again.
I said you have a lot of information. Yes.
Yeah, I will provide all of this information. So let's put the photo gallery under meeting and events. The photo gallery under meeting and events. I think.
Okay, gallery on its own. Okay. All right. Get what you mean. All right. Which meetings and events? Okay, you know which of after the tab after you said calendar is the last.
So the first tab. This is a small one. So the no bigger. Okay, no nothing. Just 1 second. Sorry. So the first tab will be annual conference.
Okay.
The second tab will be courses and workshops. The third tab will be events calendar. And the last one will be photo gallery.
Okay.
All right.
Yep.
Next.
So here we'll go back to where we were. We've seen this page before.
Yeah, so this will be the annual conference, like, you know.
Yeah, well, we change it. Yeah, that's fine.
So, sorry, my dear Tamer, Catherine. Tamer, how are indexes going to integrate their website on this page? Because the company is gonna come here and do some modifications, etc. I need to understand, Tamer.
Doctor, I think there will be like a separate web page for the new conference, right, Catherine?
Yeah, what they should do is that I've just done this work. They have to update your letter to the new one, and they should leave everything in place. Okay. Then normally events, they have another page that they have to promote your event, isn't it? So they need to create a landing page.
Okay.
They are going to promote it. Yeah.
Can I do something? Let me show you. Let me share my screen one time, and I'll explain it why. Maybe this will help you, Catherine. I think this is maybe our mistake, or maybe it's not a mistake. I really don't know, but they do have a template. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken.
هلا عمي قول لي يا سيدي.
I'm just trying to figure out expert tackle تمام صح Emer's oncology. I think this is the one.
حاضر وهتدي.
Yeah, so they do have a template, Catherine. Okay. this is where we need to kind of adapt our website to the template. So this is just one of their templates. And maybe, I'm saying just maybe, this tab will change, the conference tab, the annual conference, the annual meeting. You did a great job, Catherine. I'm just saying that when you click here, maybe it will bring to their template, or maybe you can just adapt it, and then if they want to change it, maybe they can change it to their template, because I believe they work on a fixed template for every single conference that they have. You understand what I mean?
Mm. Okay, you're saying that they should to link to theirs, kind of.
Yeah.
Well,
Okay.
they need to create it first before we can link it. They need to come live.
Okay. How about the problem? These guys are not free at night at this time. So, so if they create the website on a separate domain, okay,
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
we can link it to this page, right? To this one, to the annual meeting, isn't it?
Yeah, all you need to do is it's very when you want the way that we click to AMA, you want it to click to the website, whatever website it creates. Am I correct?
Yeah. So we stop there
doable.
for the yeah. I think this is the best option that the website they will handle. So from here on, they will handle all of this. You understand? So
yeah, that's what I'm saying.
This thing is, so once they click on the meeting and events, once they click on the annual conference, the annual conference, this web page will come directly, the one that they did. This is literally, I think, the best option. Because if we do that, then it's, I don't know. I don't want you to go and invest so much in this, and then it changes completely. You understand what I mean, Catherine?
Yeah.
But we still need, I'm just trying to look, registration program, etc. They do have all of these details anyways. So all of these details are already here, and they do have their own template, so which they can probably adapt. Yeah. What do you think, everybody?
Yeah, what you mean is that you just click to theirs and you want this to continue living here. Is that not what you mean?
Yeah, we'll let them handle the website completely. Not the website, sorry, the conference page. Okay. Tamer, how about this domain?
Doctor, the domain I sent you already one, it's active, okay, but .e is you need to buy a separate domain. But doctor, as we mentioned before, the idea is to promote ESRSM. So why don't use this domain? Okay, was the one I created. Huh.
So Tamer, this will be the conference website, okay? Index will work on this, okay? While Catherine is developing this. Is developing, where is our website? You see, I even have worse tabs than you, Catherine. Huh?
Everyone.
So Catherine will be working on this Tamer, tamam? When index, sorry, Catherine, I'll just explain it in Arabic so that Tamer gets my point faster, and then I'll explain it in English. يعني تامر انا الحين بشتري الدومين هذا، تمام؟ انا بشتري الدومين هذا، اوكي؟ اندكس بتشتغل عليه، لما بتخلص اندكس، اوكي، والناس بتدخل على الويب سايت تبعنا، بتضغط على الانوال ميتنج، بيوديهم على الويب سايت الثاني. فهمت كيف؟
تمام.
فبيكون عن طريق اللي هو ويب سايت السوسايتي، ما بيكون في نيو دومين. ولو الناس كتبت هذا، اللي هو
Sorry, can you speak English because I'm lost?
No, I'll explain it to you quickly.
We're talking about something, Catherine. We'll get back to you. Huh?
Oh.
So, Catherine, simply, Tamer is asking that we need to promote everything through the society website. And I totally understand Tamer. But what I was trying to say, because there are two entities working, you are working on the website, and there is another company that needs to work on the conference, okay? This one, the annual conference, there will be a separate website. There will be this domain name.
Yeah, but can I say something?
1 second,
What
Catherine.
is it? I know because of what doctor is saying. I don't want to. It's because of what he's saying about having a new. Are you going to keep creating every year? You create a new domain?
No, it's the same.
دكتور let me explain something to you. دكتور في حاجة دلوقتي الدومين اللي انا اديته لحضرتك ده هو مش دوت اي بس هو سيبريت تماما عن الويب سايت. ماشي، يعني الاثنين يقدروا يشتغلوا في نفس الوقت، ده ملوش علاقة بده خالص. ده اللي انا عايز افهمه لحضرتك. فاهم قصدي؟
I know, but it's not a domain that we can use. So, Tamar, our conference is called Emirates Sports Medicine Conference. The initials are ESMC. Tamam? It's logical that the conference website is esmc.ae. That's the logic.
طب دكتور سؤال تاني،
The conference is
لما تيجي تعمل مؤتمر جاي بعد مثلا 6 شهور هتشتري دومين تاني؟
No, the sports medicine conference will always be the same. Sports medicine conference will always be the same. Maybe there will be another domain for the rehab conference. When we have the rehab conference, we link this. When we have the sports medicine conference, we link this. You understand?
طب وليه SRSM دكتور هتعمل فيه ايه؟
This is the society website.
انت عايز تخليهم سيبريت يعني.
Yeah, this Tamer, this is not a society website. You can see my screen.
بس انت عايز تخليهم سيبريت يعني.
كيف يعني separate؟
يعني عايز الدومين بتاع ده ما يبقى غير ده عشان انت عايز دوت اي. يعني مش عايزه دوت كوم مثلا، انت عايزه دوت اي.
No, domain.com, this is impossible to find. Emirates Sports Medicine Conference. No, this is impossible.
But since you're not advertising that much, I'm thinking that
can you please?
The domain name doesn't really matter, does it?
The domain of the society or of the conference?
Of the conference.
No,
because the other one is neuro something. So.
Okay, shall I send you a new link, guys, or because your meeting will end in 10 minutes? Okay, so for the conference, this will be the domain, and the domain is available, if I'm not mistaken, esmc.ae.
Okay.
You understand what I mean?
Okay.
Okay. So my idea is the domain could be inactive. We can put everything on the website of the society. But the point is, now, Catherine, everything is connected to you, which means I cannot do anything, okay, until you finish the website. But if I have this domain name.
No, but I'm almost done. What you're talking about?
I know. This is not my meaning. This is not my meaning. What I'm saying is, we can connect both. I don't see why I should not connect both. Okay, I'm just trying to understand why should I.
Doctor, can I show you something?
Okay, no, can I say something? They can build. I'll tell you what WordPress is all about. They can actually use this same website, the same domain name and everything without. All they need to do is create a page. All they need to do, they have a template. All they need to do is upload their template on a page. It's easy. Do you understand what I'm saying? I'll tell you something. If every page here, I can decide to use a different template if I want to. So they can take a page and, inside here, click to a new template. I don't know how to explain to you.
No, I totally understand this.
So it doesn't need to live in a new domain or subdomain.
I totally understand, but you guys are not seeing the bigger picture. I repeat.
Okay. What's the bigger
picture? It's a sports medicine conference. Okay, so I am Apple, all right? My company is called Apple. Apple is the society, okay? The Apple has an iPhone, okay? And I'm creating a website for the iPhone. Okay, this does not mean that I am creating a new company. It means that the iPhone is a separate kind of entity of the, or actually, how can I call it? It's more of, how do I call it?
Doctor, I
Okay.
understand your point. Can I show you something if you don't
Lenny,
mind?
let me explain it in a different way. Tamar, it's Mubadala, okay? Mubadala Healthcare.
Yes.
Mubadala Healthcare is the bigger entity. HealthPoint has its own website. But if you go to Mubadala Health website, you will always get the link to HealthPoint Hospital. It's exactly the same concept. So you do have the bigger entity, which is the society, but the society is having the little baby, the conference. But again, the link of this is here and the link of this here. So, and it doesn't mean it's a separate website. Okay, as Catherine said, when you click on annual conference on the society, it will take you to the page of the conference, which is already developed by whoever it is. It doesn't mean, and here it can be slash, okay, slash, for example, Emirates Sports Medicine Conference, for example. Or this
Yes,
could
doctor,
be,
I
Yeah, as a
understand.
page.
Yes, but doctor, who is the bigger entity here, ESRSM or the conference?
the society is the bigger entity.
It's a bigger. Okay, can I show you something? I will share my screen and then you decide. I'm not like debating about your idea, but I just want to show you something. Let me share my screen and then I will show you something.
Let me create a new link.
Okay.
Where is this link? Okay. Excuse me, I think my...
We still have 5 minutes. Doctor, I will share my screen. See it first. Okay.
Sure.
Yes, doctor, can you see what I'm sharing now? Bluehost.
Yes.
Yes, doctor, if you look here, you find manage site. So you have, this is the main one. Okay, this is the ESRSM. Okay, so look, each one is a separate one. So look, this is a domain I created for you, esmsc.esrsm.com. This is totally separate, so the organizer can use this one if you want. Okay, because
No.
Yeah, this looks good.
Look, it doesn't matter website. This is totally two different websites. The only thing that this is .com, not .ee.
This looks good.
Yes, this is. But
.com is actually more global. .com is more global than AE. AE is local.
Okay.
.com is international.
I mean, if everyone, either Catherine or the other company, will use the Bluehost, so both of them they log at the same time. Okay, because I'm logged in now and she logged in too.
Yeah, they can work from here.
Yes, it's a separate
without
one.
disturbing
Look,
anyone.
your
They
person
can
manage
start from
website.
there.
Okay.
This is where mine goes to.
Okay, so let me show you the link. If you click on the link here.
Click.
But this is a different website.
Yes, look here. This is what comes. Do you
It's
see?
but they are all hosted under the same Bluehost.
Okay, so Dr. Bluehost will give you two separate websites. Or Catherine and the other companies, they can work in parallel, but it's up to you. You can buy a domain.
You don't need to buy a domain,
But
really.
Doctor, if you are say ESRSM is a bigger entity,
Just give me a second, guys. Give me a second. 1 second.
Take it.
Oh my God, I need to like.
Yes, Catherine.
Hmm?
Look, he's thinking that if he bought a separate domain, it would be nice so they can work parallel. No, both of you can.
No, they can work here as well. They don't disturb anybody.
Because look, it's not the same tab you are using. It's a different one.
Yes, it is. You're right.
Tamer,
Yeah.
I totally agree with you, but I will still buy the domain .ae.
Done.
Okay? No. Yani, the point is, I will tell you something, Tamer. This is a signature title.
Yes, I do.
If tomorrow anybody goes and buys the domain, this is a different. Okay, I will let the company. I will let Index work on the one that you send, esmc etc. .com. That's fine. Tamam? This is not an issue. I will let them work on this. But the other one definitely is gonna be there. I can't actually remove the other one. But in any case, we'll decide which one. As long
Okay.
as you have created it, it's there. Okay. I need the access to let them work on it.
Sure. Doctor, the access I got from you, I will send it to you right away. Okay. But doctor, let me
ممتاز.
tell you.
تمام. So I will let.
Yes.
Hmm?
Let me tell you one last thing. Let us assume you used my domain now, which you don't like it. Okay. Once you
No, no,
buy
no.
a
I'm
new
not saying I
domain.
don't like.
No.
Hmm.
Yeah. Yeah. Just let me explain something to you. Let us assume you are not happy with it. Okay. So what you will do once you buy the new domain, you can transfer all the stuff from the old domain to the new domain by using Bluehost. So you don't have to create anything from scratch. It's just a transfer.
You can migrate.
Okay. Same like you have WhatsApp on your old phone and you shift it to your new phone. Okay. You don't have to, sorry, do it one by one.
Build it all
Automatically.
over
Yeah.
again.
Now we will use اللي هو by the way, why not something like this? Let me share my screen timer for a second.
Yes. It will cut in
And
1
then
minute, huh?
let me then create a new link. I'll create a new link. Okay. Let me log out and
Okay.
I'll send you a new link.
Okay.
Okay. Just give me a few seconds. God, I'm tired.
ايه يا معلم. ها ها جاي. لا انا لسه هنزل شويه كده، بس انا معايا كونفرنس كول فمش عارف ارد عليه. طيب. طيب ماشي، لو ما ردتش عليك يبقى اعرف معايا كول، يا تجيلي البيت يا تستناني لما انزل لك تحت. تعالى لي. باي باي. Hello Catherine, too much ambition. This is what I don't like. Now he thinks now, okay, what they call, um he wants to buy a new domain, so it's okay, it's not my issue now. Okay, let him pay. I don't know, if he didn't ask me to buy the domain, for sure he will ask me to buy something else. How much average? Okay, okay. Then we will tell him, if you need our advice to buy a domain, use this website. Yes, but yes, but if he said, Catherine, ESRSM is a big picture, okay, and the conference is a baby, as he said, okay, why don't you use this one and you can migrate the data later? Okay, Bluehost is very powerful, and I think they have Mailchimp inside. I just need to play with the cPanel, but I don't have time, you know. So come on, Catherine. I'm very good at this. Come on. I swear to you, Catherine, this what they call GoDaddy mail to link it to Bluehost. I asked it 3 IT. Okay, one of them is the guy appointed in our company and he's a professional and he wasn't able to do it. I spent 2 hours in Google. Okay, I used my mind and I created these mails. Imagine. So anyway, he sends a link now. I will share with you. Okay, let us go. Real. Ah, 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 ah.